Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lecture 4, Recovery. Performing a disaster recovery failover. In the event of a disaster, initiate a failover to switch from your primary environment to your recovery environment on AWS. Use the Elastic Disaster Recovery (EDR) console or API to trigger the failover process. This process will launch the recovery instances and redirect traffic to the recovery environment. Monitor the failover process to ensure that it completes successfully and that your systems and data are accessible in the recovery environment. Performing a failback. Once the disaster situation has been resolved and your primary environment is available again, perform a failback to return to your primary environment. Use the EDR console or API to trigger the failback process. This process will switch traffic back to your primary environment and update replication settings to resume replication from the primary to the recovery environment. Monitor the failback process to ensure that it completes successfully and that your systems and data are synchronized between the primary and recovery environments. Best practices for recovery. Follow best practices to ensure a successful recovery process, including documenting and testing your disaster recovery plan regularly to ensure it can be executed quickly and effectively. Communicating with stakeholders and team members throughout the recovery process to keep them informed of progress and any issues that arise. Conducting a post-mortem analysis after the recovery process to identify any areas for improvement and update your disaster recovery plan accordingly. This module covers the recovery process for Elastic Disaster Recovery, including performing a disaster recovery failover and failback and following best practices for recovery.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.